Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you how to scan QR codes using your device's web camera. First of all, open Start menu, then go to All Applications. Then on the list of all applications under the C letter, you're gonna find Camera, open it, click Yes, then Yes once again. Then if you want your camera to access your location, you can click yes, otherwise click no. It doesn't really matter in this case. Now make sure that your camera shutter is opened, and then select the third option right here, which is the barcode, and then face your QR code to your laptop's camera and open the link you see on your screen. After that, select the browser you want to use to open the link, and once you do that, you will get transferred to the website that you tried to reach using this QR code. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.